In today's competitive automotive retail landscape, efficiency, accuracy, and a personalized customer experience are non negotiable. Whether it's managing leads, tracking service appointments, or processing financial transactions, dealerships need a powerful, unified platform to bring everything together. That's where CDK Global steps in. CDK Global is a comprehensive CRM and dealership management system trusted by thousands of dealerships across the US and worldwide. It empowers every part of your dealership, from sales to service, finance to fixed ops, by integrating all operations into one centralized platform. In this video, we'll break down CDK Global's key features, explain how it can enhance your dealership's performance, and show why it remains a leading solution for automotive retailers aiming to modernize and grow their business. For its key features and benefits, first is the integrated CRM for sales and customer engagement. CDK CRM capabilities are tailored for the automotive space. From initial inquiry to long-term follow-up, the system helps your team manage the entire sales funnel efficiently. It automatically pulls in leads from OEMs, website forms, and third-party platforms, then assigns them based on custom workflows. Sales reps can set reminders, log calls, send texts and emails, and track activity all within a unified customer timeline. This boosts accountability and ensures consistent follow up, helping turn more leads into buyers and building stronger long term customer relationships. Another key feature is the full scale dealership management system. The DMS module covers everything from inventory, service, parts, and payroll to accounting and F&I. CDK Global seamlessly connects departments, allowing managers and staff to collaborate across workflows without duplicated data or outdated files. This improves overall dealership efficiency, eliminates manual errors, and helps staff spend less time on admin and more time delivering value to customers. Another key feature is the service department automation. CDK's service module simplifies daily operations for advisors and technicians alike. Features include appointment scheduling, digital vehicle check ins, real time repair tracking, and easy parts lookup. Customers can receive automated status updates, approve work digitally, and even pay online. Technicians can view work orders on tablets, clock in and out on specific jobs, and request parts in app. This accelerates repair turnaround, enhances customer satisfaction, and reduces miscommunication between service, parts, and customers. Another key feature is the inventory and vehicle life cycle management. You can manage vehicle inventory across one or multiple rooftops, track vehicle movement, reconditioning, pricing adjustments, and incoming trades. This keeps inventory accurate, maximizes vehicle turnover, and improves gross profit per unit with smarter pricing and faster deal making. Another key feature is the custom reporting, analytics, and compliance tools. CDK's powerful reporting engine lets you create and customize dashboards for KPIs across all departments. This empowers managers to make informed decisions in real time while staying fully compliant with ever evolving industry regulations. So why is CDK Global a great choice? CDK Global is built specifically for dealerships, not just adapted from generic ERP or CRM software. Every feature is tailored to the unique workflows and challenges of auto retail, making it an ideal fit whether you're running a single rooftop or managing multiple franchises. Its cloud-based enhancements in 2025 have introduced more flexibility, mobile access, and seamless integration with key OEM systems, lenders, parts vendor, and third-party marketing tools. CDK is not just software, it's a central nervous system for your dealership operations. Beyond its features, CDK Global offers deep industry experience, OEM certified workflows, and a vast partner ecosystem. Dealerships also benefit from robust customer support, dedicated onboarding teams, and ongoing training, helping staff adopt the system quickly and use it effectively. So, as competition increases and the customer journey becomes more digital, CDK Global equips your team with the tools to adapt, scale, and deliver a first class experience from lead to loyal customer. So in 2025, auto dealerships face more complexity than ever. Multiple customer touchpoints, rising expectations, tighter margins, and constant compliance requirements. CDK Global brings clarity to the chaos by unifying your CRM, your DMS, and service operations into one smart connected platform. It streamlines daily operations, improves communication across departments, and gives leadership the data they need to grow smarter. So, whether you're focused on selling more vehicles, delivering a better service experience, or tightening financial controls, CDK Global helps you do it all more efficiently. So, if your dealership is ready to modernize and compete at a higher level, CDK Global is a solution worth investing in. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.